Today we're making Tteok-Galbi, one of Korea's classic meat dishes. It's made from minced beef, seasoned, shaped into patties, and grilled. Simple ingredients, but surprisingly rich in flavor. First, we're making the seasoning: soy sauce, mirin, maple syrup, sesame oil, minced garlic, sugar, and black pepper. If you've ever seen Korean meat dishes, these flavors might look familiar. For soy sauce-based Korean recipes, this combination is used very often. You could almost call it the usual theme. One more thing about the seasoning. Many Korean chefs actually recommend using dark brown sugar. If you don't have it, regular sugar is totally fine. But if you do have dark brown sugar, we definitely recommend using it. It adds a deeper flavor. Tteok-Galbi has an interesting origin. In the past, Korean nobles didn't like eating ribs by holding the bone, so they minced the meat and shaped it to make it easier to eat. There was also a version made for elderly people, with the meat finely minced so it would be soft and easy to chew. That's why Tteok-Galbi is known for being tender and easy to eat. As I mentioned, Tteok-Galbi has a bit of a premium image in Korea. It's not something people usually cook at home very often, and unless you go to certain regions or specialty restaurants, it's not something you see everywhere. To be honest, it's been quite a while since we last had homemade Tteok-Galbi ourselves, so making it today feels a bit special. At my sister's place, she had this flower-shaped mold for frying eggs, so we tried using it, but when you make this at home, you can just shape them into simple rounds like we did at the beginning. Some of you watching might not eat rice very often. In that case, you can treat this like a burger patty and put it in a bun. Add a little mayonnaise, and suddenly it's a Korean style burger. Tteok-Galbi tastes a bit different from regular grilled meat. It's softer, slightly sweet, and very juicy. That's probably why both kids and older people tend to like it. We're all done. We're going to add some jujube on top for garnish. Of course, this isn't necessary at all. It's just for presentation. Actually, a little behind the scenes story. I do the editing at my place and my sister cooks and films at hers. Watching this footage right now, I kind of wish I could step into the video and eat it. It looks so good. Personally, I think this might be the most delicious looking dish we've made so far. Thank you as always for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and give it a like. See you next time. 안녕.